Okay, I want you to see the radar here. This is still, yeah, it's today's date if you can read it at the time. Okay, yep. Yeah, do they ever? You ain't kidding, boy. Okay, let's get the radar going. Okay, cast your eyes on this, what's been going on. Now I'll check the lighting after this. Otherwise, yeah, okay, it's moving. Boy, look at that. Okay, we're gonna play it again. I started audio taping around 2 in the afternoon and videoing shortly after. Right here. Yeah, battery light's on, that's okay. Boy, these really got intense. Just hope these fall apart up there because I gotta get these uploaded. Okay. Okay, now do the lightning. Real-time lightning. Yeah, the lightning static on the radio. Yeah, still some activity here. Hope I get my, yeah, most of the activities down here. Yeah, doesn't always light up and you hear the crunch. Yeah, just hope these fall apart though before reaching here because I want to get these uploaded. Yeah, reminisce of 8415, remember that? It was constant lighting static on the radio. Just incredible. Yeah, even all the way down here in the T-Storm. See, New York City didn't get anything. My T-Storm buddies like Billy St. Pete and Scott, they got nothing. Amy didn't get anything either. It was all here. Oh well, that's the way it goes. Okay, that's the end of the video.